ask.
You're not allowed. You're not allowed. You're not
What law is that?
I just heard a radio. One of my friends just told me that you can't.
So because one of your friends told you, that's why I'm not allowed to record?
No, I just had a.
Yes, sir. Do you have permission to take a picture?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Where?
It's called the Constitution of the United States. First Amendment. Is this a public building?
Yeah, it is. But
So I'm in public, you're in public?
yeah, but there's some places you can take. Like, don't take the Starbucks, okay?
I can take the Starbucks. If the Starbucks is visible to my eyes, I can take the Starbucks. Yeah, call everybody, man. Now you made me interested in the Starbucks.
This is what I like to do, folks. The San Joaquin Valley Transparency channel is all about helping the new guys. And this guy's channel is pretty good. I really like it. I like his approach. I like his professionalism. He's very stern. He doesn't get pushed around easily. And one of the things that I don't know if any of you guys will catch, but he's very humorous. He's really funny. He doesn't do it in a way where it's like exaggerated comedy or nothing like that. No, he's really funny. But he's also, I can tell he's really determined to do this. As of right now, he's at 199 subscribers. I want to see if we can get him over 1,000 in less than 24 hours. He is that good. Go watch the video. His video is kind of long, so I kind of cut out some parts and narrowed down some of the things that I like that he did. But nevertheless, go to his video. There's going to be things on his video that I didn't put here. You guys go give him some advice. Do for him what you've done to me. Donate. Give some words of advice, some words of encouragement, and motivate him like you have me. Thank you, guys. I will see you very soon on my next video. Go subscribe to this guy. He's good.
Ooh, art gallery. I'm stoked about this. Probably going too fast past these, but this isn't exactly an art show. Something else entirely.
Pay attention to what he just said. As much as you and I, all of us, like art, this guy is dedicated. Listen to what he says. This is not an art show. He knows why he's there. This is why he's going to be good.
Probably going too fast past these, but this isn't exactly an art show. Something else entirely. I'll give you one guess. Filming. Because we're in America? Or are we? Maybe not.
New York, here is Aljamain Funkmaster Sterling!
Give you one guess.
What? I just want to know.
Recording.
I just want to know why you're recording.
Why not?
I'm just asking why you're.
Yeah, that's fine. You can
You're
ask.
not allowed. You're not allowed. You're not
What law
allowed.
is that?
I just heard a radio. One of my friends just told me that you can't.
So because one of your friends told you, that's why I'm not allowed to record?
No, I just had a. Let me just record that.
I'm going to keep recording. Good luck with your radio.
Jim? No, he's home, so he can call.
Don't wake him up. He's going to be upset.
Huh?
You said Jim was asleep. Don't wake him up. You don't want to wake someone up. They'll be upset. That's what happens to me when people wake me up. Hi, Mom. I haven't tripped yet. So far, I've got good balance. I think I want to visit the artwork again. Hi, Mom. Hi, Donald Trump. That's who you're sending it to, right? Let's go ahead and talk to this guy. Yes, sir. What'd we find out? I already told you. Because we can. It's America. We have freedom of the press. Anyone with a camera is considered press. Does that satisfy your curiosity or no? Okay.
Did you guys hear the bird squawking for the First Amendment? I did. Anyways, go subscribe to this guy's channel. Like I said, he's really good. He's fairly new. And you guys know what we do and how we do it. Let him know who sent you over there. Go say hi for me. See you guys soon. Thank you.